Okay, let's do the next one. A go-kart is traveling. This looks familiar. How would we increase the speed? Okay, so FC equals mv squared over r. Which one of these would increase the speed? So this force can't be changed. That's the like max centripetal force that this go-kart can withstand. So we can, to keep our equal sign true but still increase our velocity, if we decrease our radius, that would increase our velocity while still keeping our equal sign true. So I like decrease the radius, not increase the radius. What about the mass? If we want to increase the velocity, you have to decrease the mass to keep the equal sign true. So decrease the mass. Nope, that says increase. Not that one. Decrease the coefficient of friction. I don't think it's that one. Friction equals mu times the normal. If we decrease this, if we make it more slippery, that's not the way. Don't do that. Decrease the radius. Number 2. I think the next one's also words. Let's do that one real quick. A car is going around a curve. mv squared over r. If we double the speed, so remember speed is, we're going to treat it like velocity. So if we double this, if we say 2 times velocity, what do we need to do to the centripetal force? Well, if we double the velocity, because velocity squared, that's like we're multiplying that side of the equation by 4, because we're multiplying it by 2 squared. So if we multiply that side by 4, we have to multiply this side by 4. So this is the right answer for that one.